Hello, my name is Josiah Ray, owner and creator of jraystudios.com. I'm going to show you how to get Excel to work in multiple charts at once. So I'm going to open up Excel, and I've got these two columns of numbers here, and these are the numbers I'm going to use to generate the charts. So if I select the numbers, go to Insert, and let's insert a column. So column chart. So there we go. Now I'm going to insert another kind of chart. So we'll select the data again, say Insert, and let's do a line. So line graph. And there we go. So we've got the two charts here based off the same set of data. Now if I take this set of data, and let's say instead of having this change all the way down, I'm going to have the last set of numbers all be 5s. You can see both charts dynamically change to reflect the change in the original data. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to get Excel to work in multiple charts at once. I'm Josiah Ray.